Hey guys, welcome to H&S Academy. My name is Hanan and today I'm going to show you how to make a video using Microsoft PowerPoint. As an extended use, you can also use these tips to create intros and outros for your YouTube videos as well. So with that being said, let's get started. As you can see on your screen, I have some sample slides over here where I've already added some data. Now on the first slide, I have this dark blue background, and then on the front, I've added two text boxes on top. And on the next slides, I've taken different pictures. These are basically the thumbnails from different YouTube videos on my channel. Now, next thing we're going to do is, in order to make it a nice looking video, we're going to add some background music, and then we're going to add some animations and transition effects as well. So first thing we need to do is that we're going to add background music. For that, we need to go to the insert option, and then here you have the option to add audio. If you click on this, you'll get two options. Either you can add the audio on your PC or you can record it. If you want to present something, you can use the record audio option and you can record your own voice. For now, we're just going to use the background music. So click on this. And here I've already downloaded some music from the audio YouTube audio library. So we're going to use the art bounce. This one over here. Let's insert this, and we're going to push this to the side over here, so we can actually see it. If you click on this option, once you add any kind of audio, you get this extra tab on the top for playback. So here we're going to make some changes. As you can see, some of the options are unchecked. The only thing you need to do is to change this option from no style to play in background, because we want to play the music in the background. If you select this, as you can see, it has automatically made some changes here. We don't want to show this icon during playback, and we want to play it across all slides, and we want this looped until the video has finished. So this is all we need. So the only thing you need to do is to select play in background option, and the rest of it will be done automatically. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply some animation effects on these two text boxes. Let's add something on this one first. So we're going to go to the animations here, and then we'll select this, and then we're going to, if you click on this drop down arrow here, you'll get all kinds of different style options. So for now, for this text, we're going to select this zoom option, and let's select the next one. And for this one, we're going to select this bounce option. Okay, so we have our animation selected. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the transitions tab, and we're going to apply different transitions on each of the slides. Now on the first slide, we don't need to apply any transition effect because we want this dark blue background to stay as it is at the background to start with. Now there are some other options which we're going to change. Here, if you go to the right hand corner of inside the transitions tab, here there's an option of advanced slide. By default, it would be on mouse click. By default, it would be on mouse click. This option would be checked, and this would be unchecked, and this would be 000. However, I've unselected this because we want our video to play smoothly, and we don't want to be clicking any mouse buttons, or we don't want to press anything from the keyboard. So we want this to be played automatically. For that, we need to uncheck the on mouse click option, and then we need to check this option. And for now, I've just given 3 seconds duration, and we want to advance the slide after 3 seconds. This thing I've done the same thing on all different slides as well. As you can see on the top, it has been applied on all the slides. Okay, and next thing we're going to do here is that on the first slide we haven't applied any transition effect. However, on the next slides I have chosen this white transition effect, and I've applied the same on all different slides across the rest of the slides. Okay, so now we have added our background music, we have the animations and the transitions set as well. So now we're going to do is, if you want to preview this, you need to go to the slideshow option and you need to select the play from beginning option. Click on this, and here you can see it is automatically playing. Okay, for now I'm just going to stop this for now. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is that how we can convert this slideshow or with the help of the slides, how we can convert this into video. So for that we need to go to the file option over here, and then we need to go to the export option. If you click on this, here it gives you the option to create a video. Inside the create a video option, you have a couple of options over here. You can select the quality of the video from 4K down to standard. For now we're just going to use the full HD option. And next, here we want to keep our recorded timings and durations. So we'll keep this checked, and we don't want to use this option because that way it will take away all the animations and the styles which we've applied. Let's keep it as it is, and this would be there by default. So next we just need to click on the create video option. If you click on this, it's going to ask you where you want to save this file. Let's save it on desktop, and let's call it sample video. Okay, and we're going to click on the save option. Now here you will see the progress of this, converting it into an MP4 file. Now this could take some time depending on how many slides you have within your project, and also how many different styles which you've used, and it also depends on the quality of the video which you've chosen, so it might take some time. Now as we can see, it has finished converting the file into a video file. So we're going to go to the desktop, and here we have our video file. Let's go ahead and play this. Okay. There you go, we have our video played, and I guess it looks nice. So that's all you need to do to add some different effects on your slides on PowerPoint, and then you can convert this into a video file using the create video option. That's all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed the video today and you've learned something useful. Make sure to hit that like button if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned to our upcoming videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.